Are you guys couple?
Yeah.
How long have you guys been couple?
A year.
A year? क्या हुआ? Something happened. I didn't. A few months. This guy said few months. Yeah, 12 months is also.
Same thing.
Same thing. Same thing. You guys married, dating?
Dating.
Dating? How did you guys meet? Met?
Dating app.
Dating app? Which one?
Hinge.
Hinge? ये गाय किसने चरानी शुरू कर दी? एक बंदा ऐसे ही करा, ये कौन करता है यार? ये तो एक्सप्रेशन में भूल चुका था। ऐसे क्यों करा आपने? जिसने भी कराई है कौन था ये? कौन था? अब नहीं बताएगा। हिंज से मिले आप लोग, कैसा जा रहा है?
बस.
अभी हो हिंज पे? पॉज लेना पड़ गया दोनों। नो नो नॉट एनी मोर गौरव, नो। Yeah, what you liked about this guy? Tell me. Why did you swipe right on him?
Lot of things.
Give me 3.
Good looking, good communication, funny.
Good looking, good communication, funny. Okay, बहुत very fast. But how did you know about communication before swiping right?
अरे यार.
पूछने दो, कुछ लोग करें appreciate the question यार. कितने शरीफ साउथ मुंबई की ऑडियंस, we should always appreciate the artist. He instantly thought of that question. Pretty good, yeah, Gaurav. How did you know about his communication? Through his bio?
There are prompts, you give answers to that, so you
क्या?
understand a person. There are prompts, na? You give
There are prompts to give. So I've never been, so I don't know. You tell me step by step how it works.
You put photo and then you answer a question. You choose your question, you answer it also, so that people know a little bit about your personality.
So you sent him a question that answer this first.
He only chose the question, he only chose the answer.
He only chose the question. He only chose the answer. है ना? He chose the question. He chose the answer, right?
Yeah, I saw.
You saw. So here we nullify the communication part. Okay. You have just given me one reason in law, looks. Okay. है ना? Funny भी कैसे पता चला आपको? कुछ जोक लिखा था उसने वहाँ पे कुछ? क्या लिखा था? याद है? Do you remember? Vaguely, do you remember something?
No, he didn't make his profile funny.
He didn't make his profile funny. Later on, you got to know about
Yeah.
this. That oh, he's funny also.
Yeah. So immediate decision नहीं लेना होता ना.
Immediate decision नहीं ले. No. That's why I asked. No, my question was before swiping right. Okay,
Then
nice.
it's just like shopping.
It's like shopping. इंसान तो थोड़ी लंबी बात करो, सच बोल देता है ना. गौरव रॉफ लाला से खरीदा है इन्हें. मार्केट में गई थी, मिलना चाहिए था कोई. नाइस. शॉपिंग तो आप खरीदे गए हो भाई. याद रखना, आप बिकाऊ थे मार्केट में एक वक्त पे, और मैम ने आपको खरीदा. यू टेल मी 3 things about
like on the app or
on the app before and then also later on.
On the app it's mostly based on looks, and then you start talking and then you realize that there are things in common and then you want to meet and stuff.
Yeah.
So on the app it was mainly looks.
सुनने दो यार, किसी की जिंदगी. तुम्हें मजे चाहिए सबको. हाँ.
On the app it was mainly looks, but when
On the app it was mainly looks.
Yeah.
So before both of you it was looks only, no?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
But when
so ugly people have no chance on Hinge. Where do ugly people go? Tell us. I mean, tell us and tell us. Not ugly. All of us are not ugly. सब लोग कह रहे हैं जो हम अगली नहीं है, तू होगा. अगली लोग कहाँ जाएंगे बताओ आप फिर?
They buy premium.
हाँ?
They buy premium.
They buy premium. So you didn't buy premium. आपने खरीदा नहीं premium? मैम आपने?
नहीं.
You also didn't buy premium. Nice. हाँ, ठीक है. फिर और आप after that what happened?
So then we started talking, and then I realized. So we met, and then I realized like she has a very happy vibe.
She has a very happy vibe.
Yeah, very positive, very happy.
Very positive,
vibe.
very happy. Yeah.
And then we started talking, and
Then you got along
sort of
well.
bonded, and then we started.
Nice. What a happy couple we have. And कितने पहले आप लोगों ने dating start करा? If I may ask.
Sorry?
कब से डेट्स करना स्टार्ट करा?
So we were seeing each other for a long time.
Yeah.
But we've been dating for like 4 months now.
4 months.
Yeah.
You decided that okay, now it's time to uninstall Hinge.
Oh, we uninstalled Hinge much.
अनइंस्टॉल तो हमने पहले ही कर लिया था, मैम से मिलते ही तो तुम्हारे सामने ही हटा रहे हो, तुम सही है लास्ट घर जाके डाउनलोड करूंगा अलग से. नाइस नाइस गुड, सच अ हैप्पी कपल वी गॉट. नहीं नाइस, ऑल द बेस्ट. व्हाट डू यू गाइस डू? स्टडी?
I'm a lawyer.
यू आर अ लॉयर.
I am currently unemployed.
अनएम्प्लॉयड है ये तो.
I'm basically switching jobs. So
You are switching jobs. Where were you before this?
I was working with Monitor Deloitte.
हैं?
Monitor Deloitte.
Deloitte.
Deloitte. Deloitte में थे?
हाँ.
हाँ क्या होता है?
Strategy arm of Deloitte.
Strategy arm of Deloitte is monitor.
Monitor Deloitte. Yeah.
So now you are like fired or what?
नहीं. So I have put down my papers.
You have put down your papers and now you look for the job.
No, he's gotten it.
He's gotten another job. मैम एक काम करो, सारे आंसर आप ही दे दो इसको. बताने तो माना कि आप लॉयर हो, आपका आर्गुमेंट अच्छे हो गया. And you are like what, like litigation lawyer or corporate lawyer? Litigation तो किसी और से बात करूंगा. शो से क्या लेके आए? बहुत सारी हंसी और 3 धाराएं. घर जाके 4 नोटिस आ रहे हैं घर पे. और you have to ask this question to my boyfriend. Anyways, I will just randomly talk to you guys. Thank you so much.